Okay, folks, got a 95 Rodeo 3.2 V6 here with about 151,000 on it. Super straight body. Everything seemed to check out. It's got some major exhaust issues and needed an alignment, new tires. I got that done. And we've swapped out the fluids, ran seafoam through it, and drained it. And it did an oil change on it, and seems to be running nicely. The lifter noise is kind of abated now. Put a new air filter in it, but there's still a sound that sounds something like either the notorious timing belt slap or noise that I've seen mentioned on the internet, or possibly a rod knock here. So I didn't really hear this when I bought it. Bought the thing for $1,200. I'm hoping it's not a rod knock, or else I'm probably going to be paying twice as much for this vehicle if I want to keep it. I'll let you guys listen and you can tell me what you guys think it is here. I'll go ahead and start her up. Hear that there? You can feel it more on the driver's side here. If I feel the timing belt better, I can feel it. Not quite as heavy over here. You can also hear it down below. Go ahead and rev it up here for you. See my valve covers leaking there. We're throwing oil onto the exhaust manifolds. That's going to be Monday's project. I'm wondering if I need to go into the timing belt and redo that. You can see that it kind of disappeared up around 2,500 RPMs. Then it returns when you go back down to lower RPMs. Try it again here. Back again. Well, let me know what you guys think. Now that I've tried to rev it up and down, I kind of feel like maybe it is the timing belt thing. But I really don't want to yank this thing and do any low bottom end work, or replace the engine for that matter. Thanks for your help.